and meet Pete.
Can you say hi to Farmer Pete? Come here, sweetie.
You're being shy.
Allie, do you see any toys anywhere? These are toys that you can't play with, but you can look at. Look up high. Look up high on the wall. On the walls. You must have been collecting most of your life.
These I just started, the trucks. It was, we was on the way to Albuquerque for the Balloon Fest about 5 years ago, I guess. Every afternoon, our group, we stopped for ice cream, 3 afternoons. And on the way to Albuquerque, we stopped at a Brahms ice cream, and I bought that first Brahms truck up there. And then people giving them to me, I bought them, you know. I got so many now, I don't even have a place to put them, I got so many now.
Allie, kitty cat.
Fluffy?
Fluffy. Fluffy. Say hi.
Say hi.
Just put your hand down so
She's real friendly.
she can smell you.
Fluffy's real. She's real friendly. Her brother Simon, he's around here somewhere. Yeah.
You found the brother, huh?
Oh, there's the brother.
Aww.
Boy, they have different length hair, don't they? Whoa. Look at me. Go ahead and do that again, but look at me. Go there. Head, cat, but look at that.
That's one for you. All you have to do is set in the seat. Set in the seat. Okay, and you see that pedal? You know what the gas pedal?
Woo! You gotta
steer it.
You gotta steer. Yep. There you go. There you go. Make sure you steer. Yeah. Allie, stop. Let go.
Now, don't push it down. Grab it. Go. Press and just leave it on there.
Good job.
Keep pressing.
Go.
Okay, that's it. Stop there.
Good job. Was that fun?
You say the truck is rolling?
You can ride the bull if you want. Again,
Wow.
my grandkids, this would be able to see.
Yeah.
You can't hurt nothing up there. When we grew up, they would have done it.
How many tractors do you think he has? How many? Guess. One. Yeah, looks like one.
Horse. We put it in that trailer without me knowing it. And when we got back to California, they gave it to me as a gift. So it's pretty special. Both those guys.
That's awesome.
So it's, like I said, it's a pretty special little horse. Yeah. Okay, little pup. Watch it. Stand here. Stand right here. You take little pup and you take the little pup.
Woo.
And try to make it. Try
to keep it
all the way
on.
to the end without falling off. Push it all the way to the end. See, like how people.
Ooh.
See? And then when you get them all down here, you turn around and go the other way. And all they get, just all you just make it go straight,
Make it go straight.
so it goes off the end. Oh, see, that's a good one.
There you go.
Almost.
Not bad.
Oh, now you get the hang of it.
And on the beach,
Look at that.
on the beach. Before we always
Oh, now you're a
Now
pro.
you're Pat, and you're an expert. Look at that.
Not even
that.
thinking. Good job. Where you going, Molly? Watch where you're going, Allie. Watch where you're going.
You're gonna have to turn that way.
Turn, 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 turn. Is it good, Allie?
Is it good? Tell mommy.
How good is it?
How good? How wide? Make your arms as wide as it's good.
Oh, that good.